Let's take a look at how POLASTAR makes 3D weld inspection simple and efficient. We're using a real automotive part for this demo. As you can see, the weld bead has a complex shape with a lot of curves. With a typical 3D camera, the robot needs to follow the full path of the weld, tracing every curve. That takes a lot of programming time. And when a motion gets complicated, it can cause the robot to hit the part or lose track of the weld completely. Now, let's see how POLASTAR handles it. POLASTAR doesn't need to trace the bead line. As long as the weld is in view, it can scan it accurately from any angle. Here's a side-by-side comparison between a standard 3D camera and POLASTAR. Notice how POLASTAR scans in a straight line. It's faster and easier to teach the robot this simple movement. Here's the 3D data captured by POLASTAR. We're comparing it to a photo of the actual weld. You can see the details match exactly, even the small surface variations. You can rotate the scan and check it from any angle using your mouse. And once your inspection parameters are set, POLASTAR can automatically tell you if the weld passes or fails. POLASTAR, the 3D weld inspection system presented by AGT.